The word we'll be learning in this section is shinpai, which you will often hear in situations where someone is expressing concern for another person, or when discussing something that might cause stress or worry. The word shinpai means to worry or be concerned about something or someone. It can also indicate a feeling of anxiety or unease. The first kanji means heart or mind, the place where feelings and thoughts come from. In words like kanshin, it helps show that the heart is impressed or moved. And in chushin, it marks the heart as the center or core of something. The second kanji means to distribute or arrange, something like giving out or controlling placement. You can see that sense in words like haitatsu, where things are delivered out, and in shihai, where distribution becomes control or rule. Mother is worried. 母は心配です。母は心配です。I'm sorry for causing you concern. ごめんなさい。心配をかけました。ごめんなさい。心配をかけました。He got sick and became worried. 彼は病気になって心配になった。彼は病気になって心配になった。The most common synonyms of the word 心配 are 不安 and 心苦しい。不安 refers to a feeling of uneasiness or apprehension, often about something uncertain. 心苦しい suggests feeling sorry or troubled about causing someone else's discomfort. The most common antonyms of the word 心配 are anshin and heiki. Anshin means a sense of relief or peace of mind, indicating the absence of worry. Heiki suggests calm or being unaffected, emphasizing composure even in potentially worrying situations.